So here's the last design assignment. This is my 3D puzzle. It's a tree with a bird on top. So this is a trunk and these are the leaves. And here on top is the nest with the bird. And now I'm gonna take it apart and put it back together. The bird with the nest is actually the key that holds the whole thing together. So the way that it works is every piece has this shaped hole in it, so the key can go through it. And then the bottom piece has that, and I don't know how well you can see it, but it has a notch going across so that if you twist the key, it holds the whole thing together. And the way that you make the puzzle is you put every piece on and then put the bottom one, twist, and everything locks together. So this guy goes first, and then you put the rest of the trunk on. The middle piece of the trunk is kind of the problem child of this puzzle, but it works. And finally, the bottom, and you can hold the bird, twist the bottom, and there you go. Everything is held together, and it stands up. It stands up pretty nicely, actually. So the main difficulty I had was printing this piece. As you can see, it's really big, and I actually cut the print short because it was just taking a really long time. And ideally this would be one piece, but because of the way the 3D printer is, I didn't want to print supports for the whole thing, so I cut it in half, and as you can see, that created this gap in the middle because the piece didn't actually print completely flat. But other than that, I think this came out well. And it's particularly nice that it does stand up. I was worried that it might not because it would be a little top heavy, but it works great.